down at the bottom of the stairs. And this little room is just underneath the stairs. And this is her meditating area. And in the summer, she gets a little hot in here. There's no air conditioner register up in here. And she doesn't want to leave the door open. She wants that closed. And I haven't put a dimmer switch on here in case she wants this on. I made a video of that too. That's on my channel. On what type of bulb that I ended up using. Because I had to test out quite a few. Because I wanted to save money, and it's an energy efficient bulb. Here's your on and off switch here. And then your paddle. There's different dimmers that you can put on. And I did that for her. But now she wants air in here. And I thought I'll just plug in a small little oscillating fan, but there's no electrical outlet here. There's nowhere down in here, so that's on my list to add an electrical outlet. And we finally made the determination that I'll put the outlet about right over in here, and then we'll just have this small little fan right there, and it can just live right there. And then when she needs it on, she can turn it on. When she needs it off, she can just leave it off. And on the other side of the wall, see, there's an electrical outlet right there. So I'm going to tap into that. And I'm going to put an electrical outlet on the back side. And I'll show you how to do that. And initially, I didn't realize that plug was there. I saw another plug here. I thought, hey, I could use that one, go back to back with that, and put it over here. But then the fan will be in the way all the time. And then you have to unplug it and store the fan somewhere else. So we decided, hey, let's just stick it over there in the corner and be done with it. Okay? What else is on the list?